Okay, using the same zip code, now we are on Landwatch. Let's compare it over here. And then, so we put the zip code in here, hit search. Then we're going to want to go over to custom size, and we're going to want to go to 0.5 from 0. Click go, and then where it says house and land here, you want to just click land, because we know this is just land. And then let's see what we got here. Okay, so our last lowest comp was 15,000. Now we got one for 13,000, 13,000, 15,000, 15,000. So looking pretty good there. And let's see if any of these have terms on them. The terms would say in the description here. I'll give you an example of terms. This guy here, Luke Smith, usually has other ads that have terms on them. So you want to take a look in his description. You read the description. Okay, here's the terms. Payment price, $297 down, $97 a month, 48 months. So that's where you would find a terms price if this was a comparable property to what we were looking at. It's not. This is in a different area, but if it were, that's where you would find it. So payment price, you'd have cash payment is $19.97, but the terms price, payment price is $297 down, $97 a month for 48 months. Now you'd have to take a calculator or your Excel sheet, or however you want to do it, to multiply out to find out what the actual terms price is, which is $97 times the amount of months. So it's 97 a month times 48 months. So you would go over here. You could actually do this in a calculator, but for sake of showing you what the calculation is like, I'm going to show you in our cell here. So it would be equals 97 times, what did that say? 48 months. So the terms price is $45.12. So remember that. So we'll go down equals 297 97 and 48. What was their closing cost on that? It doesn't say the closing cost. Yeah, doesn't say what the closing costs are here. So then you'd go closing cost, CC. You can put equals question mark, monthly equals 97, interest 0, minimum comp price, down, basis code. And so what you're going to do is put the comps price, cash average, price equals 45.12, which was that number. Then you could do down, then closing cost. So I'll change this cell right here to price. It's the first number. Okay. That was if you found a comp that was in the area with terms pricing. Then you go in here in Zillow, punch in the same zip code, go over here to more. You want to be able to modify what you're looking for to lots and land, not houses. So you take that away. You got this zip code. Click the search box again. Okay, now we want to type in the size, lot size. What are we? We're in between 7,500 square feet and 0.25 because we're at 0.31. So we'll click apply, see what it pulls up. 0.27, so here's a 12,000 acre, 12,000, 7,000, 10,000. Okay, so you're still up in the 13,000, 12,000 range. So at all three sites, cheapest price that we found was 12,000. So we can put 12,000. Comp use average. I would say the average price. You can just come up with an average of what you remember seeing. Looks like 23, 15, 23. So I see a couple 23s here, 15. So I'm going to put 20,000. It's just a guesstimate. Doesn't have to be perfect. Comp use Landwatch. So you're going to take whatever the URL was after you punched in the zip code and did your search criteria. So you click this, and then you narrowed down on that it was up to 0.5 acres. Click go, and then you click land, and this is the URL that you want to save. This URL goes in the Landwatch URL. Land and farm, same thing. After you've done your search, your results page, highlight that, press Control C, go over to land and farm, boom, enter it there. Zillow, same thing, your results page, highlight, Control C, go over to Zillow, boom, that's it. Zestimate, rent estimate, don't worry about any of that. And that's pretty much it. That's how you comp out. That's it, and you're done. That's how you comp out the property. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.